Hi guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman and welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design. In today's video, we're going to show you step 2, what you need to do to get started with the Super Affiliate Network effectively the right way. Okay? So now, without further ado, I am going to log in the back office and I'm going to share with you the second step. Here we go. We're going to log in. So now, yesterday we talked about what was your first step. The first step was connecting with your coach and let them know that you're ready to get started, you're brand new. What are my next steps? Okay? So what I'm going to do is today I'm going to show you that second step so you can just keep moving. Now I'm going to scroll down and you can see there's 3 tabs right here. Insiders Club, Daily Freedom Calls, and Start My Training. Now I'm going to go to the first tab, the Insiders Club. Now what is Insiders Club? It is a private Facebook community where we actually help everyone, like everyone comes together and they help you grow, okay? And not only that, but you can see the people who are making the sales and they're celebrated here inside the Insiders Club, okay? So be sure to click on this button right here that says join and then answer a couple questions. Before you know it, you'll be on the inside. And as you can see here, guys, you know, people are celebrating, you know, their sales that are going on and people are just, you know, reaching out, you know, encouraging people, helping them grow, giving advice. And that's the way it should be, right, guys? To really just give that helping hand. No one's in competition. We're all here for the same reason, right? To learn how online marketing works and to get results, okay? So now I'm going to close this out. Now we're going to go to the second step. Second step here is freedom, daily freedom calls, okay? I'm going to click here to register now. And you can see right here, the date's already there automatically for you. Now, you're going to put your first name, your last name, your email address, and then you're going to confirm your email address right here. Check off, I am not a robot, and hit register. Once you do that, you'll be already inside to get the notifications for the freedom calls. Now, you might be asking, what are the freedom calls? Freedom calls are designed to help you with your mindset, okay? To help you think the right way as a business owner, okay, as an entrepreneur. It's hosted by Amber Horner, and she actually brings out the leaders inside the system who are doing fantastic and who is making things work on the inside, okay? So let me just close this right here. Now, the third tab, we're going to go over to where it says Start My Training. Let me click that right there. And over here is Module 1. And you're going to go down here, you're going to watch these videos, okay, guys? And if you didn't follow step 1, make sure you do that first. You know, the coach is right here on the right side. You could actually email them. Okay, there's their email. And get that out of the way first. Then you start watching these videos. After you watch these videos, at the bottom here, you have a place where you can write your biggest takeaway. What did you learn from that module? And hit submit. Okay, now I'll give you a tip. For me and Anastasia, Ace, what we did was we watched the video first and then we watched it again. Then we wrote down what our biggest takeaway was, right? It really helped retain that information. It's a good way of learning, okay? So now that's all you have to do with that, okay? And that's it, guys. That is the second step that you need to do once you get inside the Super Affiliate Network. Now, stay tuned for tomorrow where we're going to create another video, a different step for you so you know exactly what to do with your next step. We're going to go over the laws. Now, the laws are something that are very important to understand that you must follow to have success on the internet, okay? So guys, if you've been really on the fence, deciding if the Super Affiliate Network is right for you, okay, I can tell you I have a special offer going on right now where you can get on the inside for $1. Go through the boot camp, start learning the education. And once you do that and you follow these steps, you're going to know exactly what to do so you get started right effectively from the get-go. Okay? So guys, click on the link below. I left the link for you to get started. And then I'll see you on the inside. Take care.